A range is a set of two or more cells. To select a range, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to select a range from cell C3 to cell D5. I first place the mouse cursor on cell C3. Second, I press the left button of the mouse and keep it pressed while moving the mouse towards cell D5. Finally, I release the left button of the mouse. As you can see, the range gets highlighted. The first cell of a range is the one located on the upper left corner, and the last cell of a range is the one located in the bottom right corner. Ranges are identified by their first and last cells. In this case, the selected range starts from cell C3 and ends in cell D5. So, Excel identifies the range by C3:D5, which means from cell C3 to cell D5. To select several ranges, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to select the three ranges that are displayed. I first select a range. Second, I press the Control key and keep it pressed. Third, while keeping the Control key pressed, I select the other ranges. Finally, since I've selected the three ranges, I release the Control key. As a result, all three ranges are highlighted.